These glasses are super cute and from Amazon. Am I upside down right now? Oh my god. Oh, that scared the crap out of me.
I can't wait to try them.
Guys, I'm in traffic. This is not the best angle, I feel like, and I don't want to block the camera, but good morning, happy Wednesday. These glasses are super cute and from Amazon. Am I upside down right now? Y'all, what is happening? What is happening? So anyway, I'm vlogging on my phone because of course I went to vlog on my camera, right? Of course. And the thing is not even, I don't have a memory card. I was so ready. I was ready for y'all. I have my coffee. I'm sitting in traffic. It says I have 25 minutes until I get to work. This is like so my coffee stays cold. I don't even know. I got this cup from Amazon too, so I'll link it down below. I did my hair this morning. I changed it up a bit, like compared to like how I would normally wear it with my headband wig, and that's cool. So this is what I look like today. Jonathan's car seat making a debut in the background. Yeah, so I'm on my way to work. We're kind of stuck in traffic right now, and I was like, let me vlog real quick while I'm sitting here. A few things that I need to get. Another tripod for my car because the one I have broke, and I don't know. Let me show you guys. So I have this one, right, which is cute. I love it, but the problem is that it doesn't stick anymore. So if somebody could help me figure out how to make this stick back on my dashboard, because I have it I don't have it on my actual dashboard. I have it on this like 3M patch. It's supposed to be better, but it's not better because it didn't work, and I was a little upset. So yeah, there's that. But I think I'm gonna take a thumbnail pic because I really am liking the way my hair looks. I did like these waves on my hair. What is it called? The why is this guy not driving? So we're just not gonna drive now. I did these waves in my hair so it looks cute like this. And yeah, I'm really liking it. I think it's the glasses, and I will probably show you my outfit at some point, maybe earlier today, because I really do feel cute. Like, I feel cute. And I went to the gym this week. Look, I'll probably go tomorrow because today I have back to school night and I will not be back in the house before 8 o'clock. And I'm not going to the gym that late. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and feel like am I in a good mood? I think I'm in a good mood because I feel like I look cute. That'll do it. Like, once you feel good about yourself, I still have to do my toes. So hopefully this weekend I'll do my toes. Our pup that we wanted, I think she got sold. So now we're kind of just waiting to see what we're going to do. Am I going straight? Which way am I going? They told me to take this way. There's mad traffic. Which way do you want me to go? We're making a left. Okay. So yeah, the pup that we wanted to get, this thing was better. The pup that we wanted to get, I think she got sold, so we're a little bit sad about that. And insert in here because I didn't know. I should have reserved her. We were gonna go pick her up this weekend, but I found other pups that pretty much look the same exact way as her, and we still want to go get one. And then I don't know if you guys can tell me in the comments down below if you have a Cavapoo or I think it's a Cavapoo. That's the one that we want to get. I want a curly dog. So either a mini poodle, a Cavapoo, a cockapoo, something with a poo in it, or curly hair. Like, that's what I want. So if you guys know of oh my god, why is my nose? If you guys know of like which pup is better. They're saying like they have separation anxiety, but I'm like, I feel like all puppies have separation anxiety, right? Like, don't all puppies get upset when you leave? But they're like separation anxiety and stomach issues. And those were he's gonna hit him. Those were the two things that we were like concerned about, because separation anxiety, we both work. So one of us will not necessarily be home. He might get home earlier than me on some days, but just having that separation anxiety. And the stomach issues, like throwing up and everything around the house, that's not necessarily anything that you want for a pup. Like, you don't want that. So those are the only two things that we were kind of like worried about. But besides that, I just want a cute, curly pup. Maybe I'll just go back to mini poodle like I was the first time. Like, that's what I was originally looking at. But those are the three. So we're still looking at pups. We're still going to figure it out. And yeah, I think that's it for now. I do want to show you my outfit. I got to figure out where I'm going to take my outfit. And I got to do it this morning because throughout the course of the day, I don't know if I'm going to look as good as I do right now. you know. So yeah, okay. I'll talk to you guys later because my arm is actually hurting from holding this phone up. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm this close to giving up today. That close. See that? That's how close I am to giving up today because this is starting to piss me off. All I want to do is film my video. That's it. All I'm trying to do is film my video and finish. You guys, I don't know, y'all. Oh my God. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Y'all, this is so frustrating. All right, I have 9 minutes on this memory card and I can't figure out how to use this mic. Help. Now I'm assuming there's one front one and there's one back one. Like the front one for the front facing, the back one for dual. Like you can have both sides. I plugged it in the output. Okay, now let's see. Now I am. Hey y'all, so the time is now 11:36 at night and I am still editing this vlog. I don't know why my face auto thing is on, so it should be good. I am recording on my new camera, which is like focusing and not focusing at the same time. I don't know why it does that. And I'm about to take this makeup off because it's been on for a minute. I need to drink some water. I have not drank water all day, but I am using the microphone and I'm trying to just make sure that the microphone picks up the sound well because downstairs in my studio it's not, and I'm trying to figure out what it is. So let me go downstairs and just check. I'm trying to hold this. This camera is heavy, my God. So just trying to make sure I have like good sound quality for you guys. And I know that the Rode mic is like so good, but the DD, I heard that it was really good, and now I feel like it's not as good as what I have upstairs. So I'm just recording this as like a, I don't know, check to see how well the audio records. If anything, I think I'm gonna do like, I have a mic like holder or a mic stand, so I might move the mic closer to me so that way when I record you can actually hear me, and it's crisp and clear because I love the sound of the Rode mic on my other Sony. So yeah, this camera though is very heavy. Like y'all can't see this, but this thing is heavy. So let me get out of here. I'm about to go to sleep. It's 11:30. I'm tired. I've been editing for like maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2. So good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. What's going on, YouTube? So good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It is October 2nd. I kind of want to do Vlogtober, so I'm going to try my best to film multiple videos in a week. You hear Jonathan in the background. Right now, I'm about to go upstairs to my attic and find my fall stuff. I don't know where it is. Let me turn my light on. I don't know where it is, but I gotta find it. I know I have like pumpkins like these, so cute. And like a literal pumpkin pillow. So I'm gonna start just taking some stuff out for fall. Oh y'all, I bought a shirt from Etsy. Look at it. Isn't that so cute? And let me put some stuff on my lips because, oof, girl. Today on my to-do list, I already uploaded my video and I sent it off to the company, so yay for me. I also, actually, let me take this off because my head, ooh, my baby hair still look good. My baby hair still look good, y'all. Even though you know how your ears hurt. Oh, my ears hurt though. So let me take this down, see what they are giving. I still have like the tousled hair look. I'm gonna take this band off. Oh yeah. Ouch. Oh my goodness. That's an amazing feeling right now. Oh, my ears hurt so bad. Ooh. Yo, whenever you do that, it's never it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is my just woke up and took my bonnet off hair. Let's see. Will you guys stay there? Oh no. I don't trust myself. I still have my middle part. I think I'll just wear it like the middle part, just fluff it out a little bit. And then obviously I have to recurl my hair because it's not curled. But this is like just woke up hair. It's messy. I love this. I always love this. So I'm gonna go upstairs in my attic and see where my fall stuff is. I'm not gonna take you guys with me because My attic is dangerous, baby. So let me do that now, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. So this is the bin where everything is. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna use and start decorating. So yeah, I don't know if I need anything new because I have so much fall stuff already. So I could just decorate what I currently have, and I feel like that's gonna be fine. I don't know how I feel about this light, but when I turn it off, let me see. What do you guys think? See how dark it is? And then like automatically adjust. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. So yeah, anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take those things, put them downstairs, and start decorating. I already have like some stuff downstairs too. I have so much stuff for fall because I've been shopping for fall for a long time. So I don't think I need anything new, but we'll see how I feel about this year. I'll see you guys downstairs. All right, y'all. So you're gonna come with me because we are about to make chili in the Instant Pot, which I've never done, and I don't know what's gonna turn out like. Do you guys have an Instant Pot? I don't know. I do, but yeah. Okay. So for my chili, I use a can of crushed tomatoes. What is this? Kidney beans and Cannelli beans. That's my little recipe. I'm sure I've showed you this before. And then ground turkey.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick.
It's fine. All right, guys. So I just finished making the chili. I'll show you what everything when it's done, and hopefully our chips and stuff will be here, and I'll show you what we make our chili like. But yeah, that's it. We just made our chilies, so, and we're gonna make cookies later. I'll show you what we're doing with those. I look crazy. Right. So this is what it looks like. The Fritos, chili, cheese, and sour cream, and this is all from the Instant Pot. So I already ate, and I was being greedy, but this is my husband's plate, so there's that. All right, guys. So we are officially out here about to make pumpkin cookies. I know you guys have seen these everywhere. I literally had to order these from the store because I wanted them so bad. So we shall do this. I think I got pumpkin and ghouls. Hold on.
It's so high.
Up, we're so high.
Merry Christmas.
Ghosts.
I want to make this.
You want to make the ghost ones too?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna make the pumpkin and the ghost cookies.
I want the ghost.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love.
These are cookies, guys. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes. 12 minutes.
All right, guys. So, I have 1 minute on this memory card. Hold on, let me change it up.
I can't wait to try them.
All right, guys. So here are our cookies. This is how they came out. They look, they're still pretty soft. That's perfect.
I can eat them now?
You can eat them now.